50% more Ratchet and 50% more Clank. And 10% more random robots. I don't know. Where's the... Come on, where's the random robot? Come on. Anyway, this is where we left off. Oh, there he is! Yes, did you know that this guy can actually get on top of the... Ow. That's smarts. On top of the waterfall up here. Hello! The water should really, douse that thing, but whatever. So, let's put our combustor and shoot him. It took longer than I needed to. Alright, so let's move on with the stage. There's the gold bow I got last time. Throwing the wrench is fun, right? Okay. No, Confessor gas, we want the shock raptor. There we go. Wow, I've completed everything. Okay.
What can we do you for?
Let's see, can we buy any weapons? Oh my goodness, jeez. Okay. Yeah, let's go for the cheapest item on the menu. Yeah, why not? And I can get this. Alright, 3 new weapons all in tow. So let's see if we can upgrade these all.
Done and done. Bada bing, bada boom.
Alright.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Oh, sorry. Okay, well that's practically all our titanium. Anything I can... Yeah, well, I can get ammo for these. Okay, now I'm broke.
Press and hold the fire button to lock onto enemy targets. Then let go
No,
to
that's a
launch
Shard Reaper.
predator missiles.
Shard Reaper is practically like a shotgun. Pow. Bluey. I gotta say, it is pretty satisfying killing things with this thing. Very easy to kill things with it too. Wow, that thing must go long. Haha, you missed, you'll suck. Yeah. Ow. Die. 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 Grr. Now, oh, there was something in here? I don't know. Now, this, you can't get these retraining chests in that gold bolt till second playthrough, I believe. Not of the game, just of this, level. Yep, So who else is not used to the inverted camera controls? Gosh, I haven't played this game in a while. Yup, kabam. Ow. Get up there. Spread shot, motherfuckers. Yeah, yeah. Wow, okay. That's some guys now. Okay, I'm not used to this. I'm gonna go. So, controls. What do you mean, those? No. Still inverted. What the heck? Okay. Yeah, this whole part's gonna be dedicated to, whatever, I'm not sure. Because when you hit right... Oh, wait, you can go right. Ah, no, I got used to it. Die, little guys. Shard Reaper. I'm just, I've actually figured out a layout for... Whoa. Okay. Figured out a little layout for how I'm gonna play this game. I'm gonna get all the, hollow plans and gold bolts in this run through. But, in terms of leveling up all the way to level 10, I'm going to be saving that for the New Game Plus, which is practically, you just play through this game again. Because you keep all your same stuff when you restart the file. And that's practically all that. Let's go over to our Shard Reapers. Die. 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 First you and your infinite laser beams. Oh, that didn't even touch me. Okay. For some reason these got blown up. That's pretty cool, I guess. So, what have you guys been up to? I know it's been a long time since I've done anything with the channel. I'm so sorry for that. Things have gotten in the way. You know, my dad's been leaving on a trip for a bit. Personal life is kicking in. I'm going to camp pretty soon. I don't know when exactly, but pretty soon. That's all I know. Oh, okay. Okay. Die. Die. Okay, we're good. But, yeah, a lot of stuff's been happening, so, ooh, skill point, damn it, okay. Hold up, let's try again. Try again, we can do this, we can do this. I guess we can't. I died. And, crap. I see you guys back there. Yeah, okay, I'm cutting this out. I'll see you guys back when I get over there.
We have a security breach. The Lombax has infiltrated the Imperial Fight Festival. The Lombax is not to be permitted near the arena. Send the holoscan to the guards and put them on high alert. I've managed to procure an ingenious disguise to protect your anonymity. You can pick it up at the arena entrance. You can on the Sector 3 power cable. We have Tesla drones moving in to apprehend. All off-duty gladiators have been ordered to join the hunt for the Lombax menace.
Anyway, I got back and I got a skill point.
The arena thoroughfare. Activate the parasitic ocular defenses.
That's awesome.
Alright, Ratchet. I've reconfigured the teleporter pad to auto-equip your disguise. It's the latest in nanomolecular
Emphasis on should be.
technology,
Anyway.
so you should be safe.
I haven't gotten any Erythrium, because, you know, I don't think this gun has Erythrium. But, yeah, we're not getting the tornado launcher for quite a while. But hey, we got full health. Sweet. Let's go into the arena.
Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming our guest of honor, your Cragmite Overlord and my new best friend, Emperor Tachyon.
Orca's working for the bad guys, and this is becoming, you know, a play throughout the entire series. Just had to move my headset there. Alright. Let's, level up our combustion a bit. Really? This is just a random arena fight. Really easy. Later on when you level up your wins to the max, this can be probably the easiest, you know, game or whatever. But obviously, you know, when you first start out, it's, I wouldn't say it's difficult, it's just, you know, meh. And yes, leveling up kills every enemy on screen, that is awesome. You actually might want to aim at the guys that you know going after you. By the way, yes, I am just holding down the trigger button. I am not bothering to aim at all. You know, it could be bad on my part, but I'm killing these guys anyway, so I don't care. Really, this is all you're doing? And yes, I'm gonna be doing all of these when later on when I fully upgrade all my stuff. I know there's skill points here, but I can't be bothered right now. Kill you. I do like the little commentary that Quark does in the background. I find it funny. Where are they? Okay, all over there. Hi guys, how's it going? Actually, wait, I want to see if we can find a big group of these guys. That's it? Okay, never mind, I guess. But yeah, pretty much you complete the arena challenge that they give you, and you get bolts for completing it, and that's about it. And here's the boss.
Okay, troopers, it's time to welcome our first dead. You know him. You love him. You flee in terror at the sight of him. It's crushed.
I don't know how you're supposed to dodge that. Okay, maybe you can just jump. Okay, no! Away, you foul beast! Okay, let's see. Sure. And my headset's, crapping out on me. No! You will die when I tell you to. Check these out on him. And he's dead. Easy boss. And sure they'll get harder later on, but like I said, if you level up your stuff high enough, they're not a challenge.
Congratulations!
Oh, I do.
You remind me of me when I was a young fighter. Only shorter and less strapping.
Quark, do you mind telling us what you're doing working for Tachyon?
Oh, just a little thing I like to call saving the universe. There I was, surrounded by Tachyon's minions, perched on the brink of certain death, staring into the icy precipice of the inevitable. I knew I had to take action. I engaged my foes, channeling days of kung fu classes, and dispatching my crouching kitten style with lethal precision. But alas, these rock-hard pecs and unbridled machismo can only hold out for so long. After destroying 2,000 of them, a lucky shot rendered me unconscious. For the safety of the good citizens of Kurwan, I swore allegiance to Tachyon's army and became his confidant.
Which means you used your powers as a world-class suck-up to save your own hide.
Little column A, little column B. Here, take this thing. The optical relay is damaged, but maybe you can find a ship to play it on.
Great! Quit messing around and get over here! I have boils that require lancing.
Coming, Your Excellence! Pray for me.
And we don't see him again until a lot longer in the future. But yes, now we're open to all the different challenges here. You know what? We haven't spent enough time in Planet Muko. Let's do it. Actually, wait, let's go to vendor, ammo. That we haven't got any Retranium, so this is brutal. Defeat all the gliders before time runs out. We got 120 seconds. Oh, with turret plates. Alright. And they'll probably kill each other. Boom. Easiness is easy. Seriously, when you give me something that can lock onto things, I'm practically God now. Well, in terms of the offense, I'm still weak as heck. It generally, early on in the Ratchet games, it's not a good idea to get hit. Like at all. Kind of want to keep the flawless streak going. I will say though, do not use the premises through the time, because it's... Okay. Proves me wrong. Oh, we're around the 4th round. That's easy. No emote! Yeah, sure, why not? Go, Combustion, go! Tear them a new one for me! Sound of the commentary has nothing to commentate on, as if, start saying random stuff. I don't really know what to say here, people. Come on. Oh, by the way, if you lightly hit triangle, you can switch out to the last one you just used. Pretty handy, I guess. We're good? We're good! Yay! Okay, I have no idea what Quark said there. Flaming Cragmite. Pretty much destroyed the... Destroy enemies without getting hit by the eyes. Oh gosh. Good for large hordes. Come on. That's a bit too close for comfort. Wow, that was a quad! Kerpow. I believe the enemies can also get hurt by the fire. Come on, you guys want a piece of me? Alright, come on, who wants some? Who wants some? I got all the prep missiles I'll ever need. I also got all the ammo I'll ever need. Is that it? No, not even close. Oh gosh. Ammo, please. Ammo. Go, 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 go! I could have sworn there was a harder version of this. I don't know, maybe that's just me. Oh no. Why you no give me? Die! Die, 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 die. That's why I like the grenades. You can use them to blow up groups. I think the challenge fails as soon as you touch the fire, so I don't want to risk anything.